Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Number Color Club. Today, we are coloring our best dinosaur friend, Yoshi. Let's go! First, let's find all the number ones. That's green. We'll use this for most of Yoshi's body and head. Next is number 2. It's orange. Let's fill in the spots on Yoshi's back. Now for number 3, black. We'll use this for his bright, happy eyes. Time for number 4. This is sky blue. We use this to color the beautiful sky in the background. Here comes number 5, white. Let's add this detail to his tummy and his eyes. And finally, number 6, blue. Let's fill in the remaining background areas to complete our picture. Wow! Look at Yoshi! He looks ready for an adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Number Color Club. See you next time!